Tonight I am having a salad from Chick-fil-A and some fries. Yep, that's my peppers for my salad and avocado ranch dressing. And this is the salad. Let's see what this thing hitting for. What's going on, my love bugs? How y'all doing? May God bless you. I hope all is well, and I hope your day is going good. I am here tonight with my dinner. I am having a Chick-fil-A salad. I have some fries, some Chick-fil-A fries, and I'm going to be dipping my fries in this honey mustard sauce, baby. And I'm about to put these charred tomato crisp red bell peppers on the top of my salad. In my salad, I have lettuce, tomatoes, boiled egg, a little bit of cheese, chicken, and I think I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more cheese on the top of mine. Let me get me some cheese. All right, baby. I love cheese. All right. How are you guys feeling? What did you guys have for dinner? I have my avocado ranch dressing. And I'm just going to put this on just a little bit. God, Lord, make me true as I thank you for this food and the blessings I'm about to receive for the nourishments of my body. In Christ's sake, amen. All right, let's see what it's hitting for today. Have you guys seen what happened with Anthony Joshua? The boxer who just fought Jake Paul. The boy that just broke Jake Paul's jaw in 2 different places just the other day. He was in Nigeria and they were traveling, and unfortunately the driver was speeding and he crashed into a parked car, and 2 of Joshua's passengers were killed instantly. His trainer, his strength and conditioning trainer, and one of his good friends for years, both died on the scene. He escaped with no serious injuries, but he will never get over that. Never. I imagine he will leave boxing alone after this. He gonna have to get his mental together. That is so sad. My condolences go out to Anthony Joshua. And I pray he bounces back after this. The salad, oh, it's good. Nice and fresh. Got the cherry tomatoes. Mm. Mm. Did I ask you what you having for dinner? What you having for dinner? What you doing for New Year's? You going out? You cooking? You working? What you doing? Mm. It's good. Mm. Guess what? I had me a salad for lunch too. Yeah. Yeah. You know, after that cheesesteak last night, girl. You know, I got to get it together, child. I did my treadmill today. 2 days in a row, yesterday and today. I stretched. Yeah. So did. Mm. Monday through Friday. I plan to do the treadmill. Working on my cardio. Trying to strengthen my knees and my hips and lose this belly. All from walking. I ain't doing nothing strenuous. Taking it slow. Focusing on walking in 26. The fries are good. Oh, what I'm drinking? I should just be drinking water. But I got a sparkling ice juice. Black cherry. Ah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Well, these fries are good. Trying not to eat too many of them. Mm-hmm. Good. This is good. I highly recommend you go get a salad from Chick-fil-A. Baby. Oh, yeah, my Sixers? Yeah, they play tonight. They play tonight, 8 o'clock. Mm-hmm. I'm trying not to do too much dressing and kind of try to get most of the lettuce dry. Because what happens is we go and make this healthy beard, and then we start dressing it with stuff that's not healthy, defeating the purpose. So I only put a little bit of dressing on there. So now it's pretty much dry now. So I'm gonna try to get as much dried lettuce as I can. Excuse me, let me know in the comments, do you like Chick-fil-A? Do you have a Chick-fil-A in your area? What are your thoughts on the Anthony Joshua crash? So sad. Life is not, I mean, life is short. Tomorrow is not promised. But that is just so freaky the way that happened. I mean, first you on top of the world, done broke this bull jaw, and then a couple days later you, ah man, I'm so sad. And then the sad part, if that's not sad enough, the sad part is they didn't have no ambulance, they didn't have no police cars that came out. He was taken away in a police car, but no ambulance. The people was dead, and his friends was dead on the ground. No ambulance coming, no sirens, nothing. Because in Nigeria, Africa, that's one of those parts of Africa that don't have that protection and safety like most people do. So they're literally, all these people crowding around the vehicle, all these people crowding around the vehicle, got their phones out, recording, but nobody can help. Mm, 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 mm. One thing for certain, two things for sure though, Joshua saw everything. He saw everything. So just in case that driver was a sacrifice, just in case he seen everything that happened and heard everything, you know what I'm saying? Or if it wasn't something like that, they probably was just in there laughing and talking and having a ball, just speeding along. But he was speeding. That truck hit that other truck hard as I don't know what. He was really speeding. Love on your loved ones. Love on your kids. Love on your family, your relatives, that you love them while they are here. Tomorrow is not promised. Stop thinking tomorrow gonna come. Stop thinking everybody gonna wake up tomorrow. Stop thinking everybody gonna make it through the night. Come on now, it's not tomorrow, it's not promised. They was chilling, having a good time playing what's that paddle ball thing? Chilling. Got in the car, gone. Oh man, I ain't doing nothing, so working on me. That's what I'm doing for New Year's. Working on me. Working on me. Working on my mind, my body, my spirit, and my soul. Because guess what? Ain't nobody else gonna do it. That's why you got to do it yourself. Stop waiting for somebody to come around and take care of you. You got to do it yourself. Exactly. Ain't nobody gonna do that. You gotta take care of you. You gotta walk, stretch, eat right, fruits and veggies. And we gotta do this stuff every day. My demon is sleep. I'm literally over here fighting literally sleep. Nothing comes to a sleeper but a dream. I ain't going to accomplish nothing, sleep. I got to get up. I got to get up out the bed. You know what I'm saying? Period. Yeah. Yep. Oh, they got corn. Corn in here, too. So, I did pretty good today. And forget it. This is good. Mm. Look, I ate half. See that lettuce? Chick-fil-A got that real lettuce, got that purple lettuce in there. Eat as much lettuce as you can. Leafy vegetables. My goal is to walk that treadmill first thing in the morning. That's my goal. That's going to be my goal for 26. Walk the treadmill first thing in the morning, Monday through Friday. So that's what I'm working on, guys. That's all the juice I'm gonna have for right now. And I'm gonna have some water. And then I'm gonna take my chia seeds at 8 o'clock. Oh my God, it's 8:17, y'all. I should not be eating this late. I should not be eating this late. All right, y'all, I gotta go. I love you guys. And until next time, peace. Oh, don't you go drinking too much tomorrow either. Drive safe and always have a designated driver if you're gonna be drinking. But remember this comedy skit I did? What?
Keisha.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You went out last night.
Yeah.
Look at your ass. Oh my God. Why do you even drink?
I don't know.
No, you can't dang.
I don't know.
No, you can't drink no damn liquor. Yo bitch ass. Man up, girl. Man the fuck up. I told your ass not to drink that damn shit.
Fuck you, bitch.
Let me in. Let me help you.
No. Leave me alone.
Open the damn door.
Leave me alone.